Bullish Uni value forecast is $6 to $9.92. Uniswap cost could likewise reach $6 soon. Bearish Uni cost expectation for 2022 is $3.54. In Uniswap cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Uni to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Uniswap current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Uniswap is $5.23 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $34,994,929 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Uni has expanded by almost 1.68% as of now. Besides, Uniswap has a coursing supply of 762,209,327 Uni. Uniswap exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, CoinTiger, Bybit, and CoinW. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, one of the completely decentralized trades. Uniswap is a decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum. It outfits the Ethereum network with mechanized market producers and in this way improves the simplicity of trading ERC20 token. Uni was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2020. Uniswap awards casting a ballot rights to the clients for partaking in the administration proposition of Uniswap. Uniswap stage empowers permissionless posting of ERC20 tokens. Any recorded ERC20 token gets its own trade-savvy agreement and liquidity pool on Uniswap. Clients can exchange ERC20 tokens easily and can likewise add to the liquidity pool. Liquidity suppliers procure a 0.3% expense for adding to the pool. The cost of tokens on Uniswap is resolved in view of the organic market of the tokens held up in the pool. Uniswap was sent off in November 2018, and the ensuing updated cycles, V2 and V3, were sent off in 2020 and 2021 separately. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Uniswap. The graphs show that Uniswap has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Uni could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $9.92. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Uniswap could fall to nearly $3.54, a negative sign. Uniswap value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Uniswap is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of Uni lies underneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Uniswap is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, the Uniswap cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Uni has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Uni whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength file of the Uni is 38.53. This implies that Uniswap is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Uni might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Uniswap value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Uniswap. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Uniswap. Presently, the ADX of Uni lies in the scope of 28.57 and subsequently, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for it. The above graph additionally addresses the general unpredictability file of Uniswap. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Uni lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Uniswap is at 38.53 in this manner, affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Uni with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uniswap. From the above diagram, it very well may be deciphered that ETH and Uni are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Uni likewise increments or diminishes individually. Uniswap value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Uniswap could likely accomplish $10 by 2023. Uniswap value expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Uniswap could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Uni could mobilize to hit $15 by 2024. Uniswap value forecast 2025. If Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, UNI would energize to hit $20. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Uniswap supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, UNI would mobilize to hit $25. Uniswap Value Forecast 2027. If Uniswap supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, UNI would energize to hit $30. Uniswap Value Forecast 2028. Uniswap holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, UNI would hit $35 in 2028. Uniswap Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Uniswap, it would observe significant spikes. UNI could hit $40 by 2029. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the fundamental consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into UNI for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Uniswap could hit $45 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Uniswap network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for UNI. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Uniswap in 2022 is $9.92. Then again, the negative value expectation of Uniswap for 2022 is $3.54. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the fundamental consideration token environment, the presentation of UNI would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.92 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $6 in the event that the financial backers accept that UNI is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, a decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the smooth trading of ERC20 tokens. UNI was sent off in 2020. 2. Where might you at any point buy Uniswap? Uniswap has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, Bybit, Gate.io. 3. Will Uniswap come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Uniswap platform, Uniswap has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Uniswap? On May 3, 2021, Uniswap arrived at its new all-time high of $44.92. 5. Is Uniswap a wise interest in 2022? Uniswap is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Uniswap in the beyond couple of months, UNI is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Uniswap reach $6? Uniswap is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the long run, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Uniswap will hit $6 soon. 7. What will be Uniswap cost by 2023? Uniswap cost is supposed to reach $10 by 2023. 8. What will be Uniswap cost by